fields. We'll go to our custom object and try and create a field on it. So how do we do that? We'll go to field and relationship section, click on new here, and then so you'll get an option of selecting various data types. So let's discuss these data types in detail. So Autonumber. So Autonumber is one of the data types available using which we can create a field on our object. What Autonumber does is Autonumbers generates a sequential number for each new record, and you can define the format in which you want your Autonumber to be created. Autonumber, you can define your Autonumber format something like ABC-001, and then your next record would automatically be ABC-002, and so on and so forth. The Salesforce takes care of this number generation, and each new record has an incremented number by 1. If you have a question, if we delete, let's say 001, then does the new record would be 001 if you already have 3 records? No. So if we have 3 records and you delete 001 record, then still the new one would be 004 and not 001. So let's see how to create an Autonumber field. So we'll click on Autonumber here and click next. Give our field a name. So let's say we call it roll number. Now we need to give the display format. So then, which could be something like an alpha and then the numeric value. Anything which is between the curly braces would be the number which would be auto generated, right? So let's give it ABC, and then you want to give it a 5-digit number, something like this. Sorry, it'll be like this, and the starting number we'll give it 1. So you can also check this box. So this will help you generate Autonumbers for the existing records as well. If you have like a million of records, then be conscious of clicking this button, because it would take a lot of time to generate numbers, Autonumber for all of those records. So be conscious about that. So once we have done this, we'll keep the rest of the sections default, and we can give our description. So this field generates an auto number for the student, right? And then we'll click next, and we'll, for the rest of the sections, let's just keep it default, and click next again, and then we'll click save, right? So the roll number Autonumber field has been created. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.